Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi semuanya, dimanapun Anda berada, semoga sehat selalu dan bahagia. Nah, bahagia, semuanya bahagia ya pemirsa. Jadi sekarang
bahagia. Halo, bahagia. Bahagia.
right. Jadi sekarang kami mau pergi dulu pemirsa, mereka udah berbahagia mau ke restoran. Nah, kali ini kami menemukan restoran halal yang menjual daging wagyu. Jadi dari situ udah mau coba, udah lama pengen mau, tapi cari yang halalnya belum nemu-nemu. Akhirnya 2 minggu yang lalu kami ketemu dan kami sudah riset juga, dan hari ini kami berangkat. Oke, sebelum kami berangkat saya mau ini dulu apa namanya, daily skincare dulu ya. Oke. Jadi pakai skincare rutin dulu, jangan lupa sebelum bepergian, walaupun musim dingin atau musim panas, terutama kalau musim dingin seperti ini, pakai pelembab itu wajib banget, dan sunscreen sebelum berangkat keluar.
We're going to this place, and I'm going to this place because I want Wagyu. I first found out about Wagyu because Nick DiGiovanni, the cooking YouTuber, pro YouTuber, he liked Wagyu, so I wanted to try Wagyu, so I found Wagyu.
But halal, that is important.
But yeah, it's halal.
This is the first
If it's
time.
not halal, I can't eat it.
That's
but
right.
It says halal, so.
Saya suka daerah sini ini, bangunan-bangunan tuanya masih terpelihara, walaupun bangunan-bangunan modern bertumbuhan di mana-mana. Tapi mereka tetap kok menjaga arsitek sekelilingnya. 2 minggu yang lalu kami pergi ke sini, saya cari-cari tempat restoran-restoran, dan kami menemukan restoran yang mantap dan juga halal. Mari kita lihat pemirsa bagaimana situasi di dalamnya. Ini bazenza. Oke. Saya kasih lihat dulu ya. Ini halal. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah.
What you mean?
There we do check them.
Do you want to put that? No, I can bring with me. Yeah, bring with me. You can put that down. No? Okay, thank you.
Come on now.
Thank you.
I've got wine list and all drinks menu, and server will be with you.
Okay, thank you.
You want to be supplied?
Jadi pemirsa, kami sudah di restorannya sekarang. Nah, kami sudah tahu apa yang mau kami order. What do you think, the nice one?
Yes, the pink.
Are you nervous, Daddy?
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Satu.
Oh, that one also dah. Dekorasinya juga dekorasi kulit sapi. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, the first time.
Menu for yourself as well. So if you just open it up to the middle 2 pages, I'll explain everything.
I've seen the. Sorry, yeah. The Wagyu.
Yes.
How big is that? Can the three of us eat, or are we too much for the three of us?
So, funny enough, when we did the training for it, because it's new to the menu, between myself and one of my colleagues, we had it, and we still had room to have some more, like meat service and everything. Okay. So, between three, I don't think it would be too much.
Okay.
And how's that cooked?
So it's completely up to you guys.
That's good.
That is medium rare, but of course if you like it medium well done, then that's up to you. It's just that, of course, the more cooked you want it, the slightly more.
That's perfect.
Perfect.
Yeah.
In terms of the food service, so it's just on the right-hand page, just at the top of the grey box, that's the insurance bill service. Yep. So that's where premium is to keep your juices inside. Yeah. You'll see a couple of guys in the red shirts.
Yeah.
They'll come around.
Okay.
And just say yes or no to each one. Then we do have some mains options down here. So that's vegan, vegetarian, vegetarian options. Regardless of which one you go for, we have some sides to go along with that. So they're all included. So you don't have to pay anything extra. We recommend 2 per person to start with. Order some more later on. Okay. We also have a market table, so out here to the left, there's cheeses, salads, cured meats, and seafood.
Okay.
Just go there, help yourselves, the sides you order myself or any of the waiters. Nice, okay. So I'll give you some time to take a look and make your choices. Do you want me to put the Wagyu through now?
Yeah, you definitely want the Wagyu, don't you? That's what we've come for. You know, yeah.
Yeah, he's more excited.
You don't mind it pink, you just don't want any blood. So you want it medium. Yeah, about right. So it'll be red, but there'll be no blood.
Do you want a medium too well?
As long as there's no blood.
Yeah, as long as no blood.
Medium will be fine.
Let the kitchen open.
Yeah. Potato fries, okay? Broccoli, that's it. Okay. Fried rice. They have rice there? Fried rice, corn, egg, carrot.
Fried rice.
Okay. Fried rice. So this
So Wagyu will be quite
big.
a bit for your little tummy. I was going to say, we can have something if you want to share. Because I'm going to have prawns to start. So do you want to share with me? Yeah. Share some prawns with me. Do you want to share with me? No, we'll just share the prawns. Because you'll be, you two aren't big eaters, are you? So you're food
That's it, yeah.
So.
Our tummy is little.
You can always order some more. Yeah. Oh yeah, of course, I forgot about yours.
What is that?
His tummy's never ended. Do you want to share a king prawn? I'm having king prawn. You want to share with me? Okay, could I have one of the king prawns? And then, so we're going for the Wagyu. Can we go for that then, please, as well? And which of
The side is we want to
3 of them and we'll share,
yes,
and then we'll see how we get on.
batata frita.
Is that with the chimichurri seasoning or parmesan and truffle?
What is that?
Parmesan.
Parmesan,
Parmesan,
okay.
please.
And then the verdes ala Brava, is that?
Of course.
Yes. And also
try.
this apricot. Yes.
Good try as well.
Yeah. What is the language? Is it?
It's Spanish.
Oh, Spanish.
Wagyu, it's going to be maybe not as filling.
As we're thinking, it's just because we're just thinking it's going to be big.
500 gram. Yes, we're thinking it's a massive.
No, I think it's a nice portion to share. I think it's
Right, okay. So you're an experiment.
Yes.
I understand.
Yeah.
So when you are ready, just please help yourself to the market table, which is the whole salad.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah,
very
thank
much.
you. Oh, what is that now? Papaya. Oh yes, anchovy.
Johnson. Sweet Johnson?
No.
I've always been there.
No.
Some cheeses. That's very nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, some bit of mature cheddar.
That is cheese.
That's the skin.
Yes, that is cheese. There.
The skin and then that's the cheese. You can see where there's scoop of cheese. I just pack that afterwards. So they've packed all the cheese and then this obviously has to mature first.
Is it mozzarella?
Yeah. Okay.
Wagyu New York strip.
Wow.
And hopefully the clothes on.
No, yeah, no, that's not.
Oh yes,
no,
it's hot. Yeah.
And then we have some time to go with that.
Thank you.
And this is some
Thank
salt,
you.
some salt, and then different types of sauces.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Some sauces.
Yes.
Clear that one as well.
Yeah, yeah. Please, thank you.
And awesome.
And we have the sides coming out in just now.
Thank you.
There you go.
I want my own.
You want your own?
That's yours.
Up for me. Go.
Okay. Thank you, sir. You can ask again, see that?
No, it's fine. It's not on the boat.
It's the best thing on this planet.
Is it lovely?
Is it?
Better than duck.
Is it?
With the sauce, Dal. What is the sauce?
Which one?
I do not know.
Tastes salty and salty.
Is it?
Shall I give it a go then?
Yeah.
Yes.
That is the best part. Yeah.
Is it nice?
Is it nice today?
You have to try it. It's different taste, totally.
Is it?
It's not what you'd expect at all.
Yes.
Really?
I thought it was.
Let's do it.
Hello. Okay.
That's. Do you want to? That's lovely. Thank you. Yes.
Yes, please. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Look massive, is it? See that? So
That's
what
your
do you think?
department cooking.
Yeah. So what do you think? The beef? Do you like it?
It's soft and melts in your mouth.
It's so nice.
Lovely, isn't it? Melts in your mouth.
Is it? Yes, I will.
It's so straight. It tastes so straight.
Is it? For mommy, it's just normal.
No.
It's all prawn.
10 of the 10. 10 of the 10?
Yeah.
Good.
The Wagyu.
The Wagyu, 10 of the 10. What are you eating with that one? What do you think, Daddy?
It's lovely.
Lovely. It's Wagyu wood.
Good choice.
Good choice. So, are you sure we will finish all?
Should we give it a mark? So we always say
No, wait. So, service.
service. Right, I'd say that's a 9.5.
9.5. I'm gonna go with 9.
A 9, okay. Food?
9.9.
9.9. I'll go with a 9.
Alright.
Ambience.
What does that mean?
That means the setting we're in. How comfortable do you feel?
8 out of 10.
I'd also give it an 8.5 out of 10, I think, for me, please. Can't give it a good, solid 9, I've got to be honest. I thought the service was excellent. The food was...
No, wait. I'm gonna change mine.
Okay.
9.3.
Okay, I know. So, tell me. Service was excellent, the staff are fantastic, the food's lovely, it's all clean, tidy. The only, I'll have one point, I've got to leave the table, we get a 2-hour slot, which I understand, it's not a problem with that. but it'd be like we're sitting here nice and comfortable. I'd be more than happy to have another water and sit here chatting for another half an hour, but we've got to leave the time. So that's why it's, I would say, for 9. But besides that, it's very good, and I'll certainly be coming back.
Jadi pemirsa, enak banget semuanya, makanannya, servisnya dan sebagainya. Kalau saya 10, karena ini pertama kali kami menemukan Wagyu, halal Wagyu. Begitu kami liburan ke Indonesia, gampang sekali menemukan restoran yang menjual halal Wagyu beef. Nah, kebetulan kami ada di mall yang bersebelahan dengan hotel. Di mall ini lebih dari 5 kami menemukan restoran yang menjual Wagyu beef halal. Karena memang Wagyu beef ini lebih populer di Asia. Pokoknya surganya deh makanan di Indonesia.
Hati-hati bagian dari rosternya panas.
Ya, this is the hot ya.
Untuk makanan daging,
Ya.
disarankan menggunakan chopstick karena dikhawatirkan akan meleleh.
Oke.
Untuk sausnya ada 2 macam. Yang pare dia rasanya manis.
Ini manis.
Ya. Yang ini rasanya pedas.
Pedas, oke. This sweet and spicy. This is sweet.
Boleh digunakan setelah daging matang ya Kak?
Ya.
All Megan's friends and the parents and stuff like that. We used to have some barbies.
Already like barbecue. I cannot waiting for eat this one. Jadi segitu aja video hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah subscribe, komen, dan share. Sampai ketemu di video-video selanjutnya. Bye.